Hey, what's going on? It's Coach Lance, and I got the kettlebells out. So pretty much all you need, what I got is got a lighter bell. This is a 30, so I would say this would be maybe a 15-pound bell. And then this one here is a 50. So that one, I'd say maybe a 25-pound bell. Okay? All right, and then let's just go ahead and get right into the warm-up. I'm gonna do this a cappella in here so you can hear me, and then maybe you wanna play your own music or so, right? All right, so let's go ahead and get the body warm going up, getting some nice trunk rotations in as we start it up. So I'm just going through a couple basic movements with these kettlebells so we can kind of get some good work with these bells, get some good benefit with them. Yeah, so we're gonna spend a couple movements here, just warming the body up. Glad to have you in on the set. Remember, we want to feel through those shoulder blades, get those shoulder blades nice and opened up, get those legs grounded, abdominals linked up. Ideally with a hoodie on or something to keep the body nice and warm as you warm up, at least for the first 10 minutes or so. All right, here's 10 more seconds here. 2, 1, and release. All right, let's go ahead and head down to the ground. And now down on the ground, we'll go ahead and bring in the right sole to the inside leg. All right, and then let's go ahead and just get a nice reach down, stretch on over, reaching toward that foot. If you can't reach your foot today, feel free to stop at the knee. You just want to open up the small of the back and breathe here for a little while. Yeah, it's important to get that good spine health. Just kind of open the body up. 3, 2, 1. We'll change sides here. An easy transition, no rush transition. Yeah, smooth transition. Bringing that inside sole to the inside thigh. All right, and then we'll just reach on down toward that foot as well. Open it up through the hips. Small of the back, nice and open. Hamstrings engaged throughout the set. Second. 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, let's move to some hip bridges here, yeah? All right, let's go ahead and knock out 20 hip bridges. Just want to lay the body on the back here, and move this bell out of the way. Okay, so laying the body on the back, and the key focus here, driving through those glutes. Don't want too much in the small of the back, but want those glutes firing on out. Let me go ahead and get rid of this hoodie so we can kind of see all of the ranges of motion here. All right, so 20, working in through that ball and socket for the hip hinge, which we'll be using for the swings. 2, 4, 6. Really getting some good squeezes at the top. 7, 8. You might want to readjust from time to time too. Just finding the perfect move for you. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. All right, now we'll go ahead and take that right leg, cross over the left, and we'll go ahead and stretch out that piriformis. See him reach between those legs, grabbing the bridge of the top foot. Let's lean on back there and breathe it out. That inside arm post up against that inside thigh, allowing the body to breathe out. We'll bring those hips into the mix too. Yeah, don't let them just hang out back down there. We'll get those hips involved. Breathe it out. Yeah, approaching these weights a little different today. today. Get in there and get out. Unscathed. Here's 10 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. All right, easy transition to the other side. No real rush to it. All right, we're just taking that left leg, coming right on over the top of the right. All right, then we reach with the left hand through the leg, grab the back of the right leg, hand on the top of the foot, and let's lean it back. Remember that elbow and forearm should be driving into that left inner thigh. So open up that piriformis down there. We'll tight this into the hip flexor. Let's get those hips involved. Bring them up. Get those hips involved. Lay that skull back, chest back. Let's take 10 seconds. 2, and 1. All right, one more time. We'll go ahead and take in 20 reps on our hip bridges in 3, 2, and 1. Let's lift it up. 5 on the count. Really looking to feel for that glute extend. It's 11. 20. All right, and then that whole time while we're doing those, always kind of just thinking about that swing, you know. So let's go ahead and bring that smaller bell through, and we'll just get a couple stretches here as we open up through the hips now. So I'm gonna set the bell down, and maybe even the heavier bell for you so we can get a nice stable surface. And basically I have a hand on the top, palm centered right over the center of the bell. Let's bring the hips through, and then we just want to drive a small stretch here, opening up those hip flexors. Got the hips driving forward. Allow the back leg to relax and fill out through those quadriceps and open up through the abs in the front. And just kind of work. If you feel like you got any imbalances through your hips, just kind of feel through your hips and drive them home. Key points to think about. Thigh toward the calf. No strain to the muscles. Everything should be nice and elongated. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. All right, switching it on sides. No real rush to it. As you take that time in on the blocks. All right, so we got that right leg on the outside now. And again, I got that palm coming right down on top of the bell. All right. And now let's go ahead and lean on into the girdle. Thinking again of the pelvic bowl to get up under the body. Flexing up through those lower abs. Relaxing through your front heel. Let that thigh come closer to that calf muscle group. And again, looking for any imbalances. And allow the body to link up. As we're still in that warm-up phase, athletes, still mentally ready, get involved with this work. 10 seconds on the count. 3, 2, and 1. All right, coming on up to the top there, yeah. Let's go ahead and bring on our first round of exercise here. As we start to warm up the body, we'll shoot in 20 body squats. 20 body squats, and it's just warming up those legs. Don't need to go all the way deep, no need to go too shallow. Finding those perfect squats for you. All right, let's go ahead and take down 20. 3, 2, and 1. At about a 1-1 pace. 18, 19, 20. We'll take 20 seconds and we'll get a second round there. 2 times back, 2 times back. We'll just get a second round. Same exercise. Filling the body out. Allowing the oxygen to come in now as we start our warm-up phase. All right, here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Begin. Now 15, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's go ahead and grab our big bell back again. And we're going to go into a nice deep sit with the kettlebell and just allow for the body to fill out through those legs. Yeah, if you want to grab a quick sip of the water too, it's a perfect time to do so. All right, so on this one here again, we'll use the hands and just grip the bell, allow ourselves to crank down into the seat. And when we get down to that bottom seat, we don't want to just let the body sit at rest. We want to still feel those muscles linking and engaged to support your body as you're in the low seat. All right, so let's go ahead and take them down. We'll count out around the 20 seconds. In our mind, remember, heels always on the floor as we go. So I'm taking like a traditional deadlift stance, hands on the bell. All right, and we just crank down into the seat. And you see my arms are just over the knees there. I'm able to sit comfortably into the seat. You're just thinking about the pelvic floor and how you can link that pelvic floor to support you in conjunction with the inner thighs. Because all those muscles are going to be important when we start swinging and squatting. Let's take 10 more seconds. Make sure the butthole is nice and sealed up. 5, 4, 3. All right, now don't just shoot up. Let's go ahead and stand tall without the bell. All right, give yourself 20 seconds. We're going to go back and do that again and just allow the body to sit in that nice deep sit there, okay? So just allow the load to kind of load down into the body. We got 10 more seconds, then we'll go in for a second set. We'll count out another 20 seconds there. It's more like 30 seconds. All right, let's go ahead, grip the bell. Just like a deadlift stance, go ahead and allow the spine to open up in the bottom points. Now, track those glutes down. Let's get in there deep. Allow the knees to relax. All right, now let's hold that muscle. Lift that upper back. Strong hand on the set. Remember, no tight hip flexors in there. We want to look for balance the whole time while we're here. So no stress to any points of the thighs. If you're on the tops of their thighs, allow them to relax and recover, but engage. Let's take 10 seconds. Both heels equal. 5, 4, 3. Remember, not to shoot out. Go ahead and stand strong without the bell. Driving through those legs. Very nice. All right, so here we have it. We'll go ahead and slide our bells off to the side here. If you want to grab a quick sip of water, we'll go ahead and move into another round. Now moving into a reverse lunge. Reverse lunge, okay? So reverse lunge, simple hit. Just allowing the body to step back, bounce over the thigh, standing tall in on the count. Real simple, smooth move, but soon we'll be adding those kettlebells. So let's get a round of 12 reps on each side, okay? All right, let's load them up. I'll start with that left in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 12. Nice job. All right, shaking the body out. Move to the other side. 12 reps in 3, 2, and go. I got 10 on the count. 11. And 12. Just a quick check on the clock. All right, still got about 15 minutes left in on the set. So now let's go ahead and do a movement here. We will add our first bell. You grab that light bell. We're gonna drop the number to 8 repetitions each side. All right, so just to show how we bring this bell into the fold here, since we haven't gone on and talked about how to snatch it up in there, let's go ahead and just use those legs, pick it up, boom. Here's your rack. You think about right down the middle of your chest, hands should be right at the middle of the chest, all right? And then allow the bell to rest on the fleshy part of the forearm, okay? And then on the hand side, bar going smooth across the palm. Use those fingers to come down to get a good solid grip. Thumbs really not, just to overfold like that, okay? All right, so from this position, we'll go ahead and bring on the reverse lunge. Let me model out a set. Opposites, balancing through the body. Let's take in 8. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Abs firm. Eight, bell to the front. All right, bringing it back to the other side. Locked up, let's load them up. This is a safety hold that I'm doing. Keeps the body kind of compact too. I think this is 8, and rest it out. All right, fam, let's go ahead and take it to the ground. Sit-up time. 20 sit-ups. No rush to it, but we need this 20. And then we'll come back, we'll get a second set with that lighter weight. All right, with the sit-ups, feel free to choose the option where we can come right through the middle of the legs with those arms, totally fine. All right, let's lock and load. I got 12 on the count. $16. 20. All right, clean links. Let's get ready for our second set here, yeah? If you're ready, we'll go ahead and load up. If not, hit that pause and let's join up in about 1 minute. I know you're ready though. So here we have it. Linked up, body solid. This time, we'll use the same leg as the same side bell. So we'll go into the lunge here. All right, let's begin for 8. Six. Change it up. All right, let's begin. Relax that shoulder. 5. 8 down, 20 reps to go on the sit-up time. Let's change them up. Yeah. All right, here's 3, 2, let's begin. Got 15 on the count, 5 to go. Nice job. All right, take you in a nice, smooth breather break. We got one more complex to come. What it is, 10 kettlebell swings, 10 goblet squats, 9 kettlebell swings, 9 goblet squats, 8 kettlebell swings, 8 goblet squats. We're gonna do that all the way to 1 and 1, okay? All right, so that's coming up. Take you in a whole minute. We got 50 seconds left. Yeah, so I'm going to grab my heavier bell because this is just a short workout. And I want to get a little more strength in there. And this is like one of your first workouts here. Feel free to go with the lighter bell and see what this feels like as we go through the set. But if you're ready to work, we got 10 seconds to count it down. Remember, 10 swings, 10 goblet squats, and we'll run them down from there. All right, go ahead and set that bell in place. Lock and load. Ground those heels down, get that butt down. Arch body, you should feel like you're ready to hike a football back to the quarterback. Open up those inner thighs. 3, 2, 1, 10 reps. I think this is 10, right up into the deep squat. That's 9, 10. All right, 9 swings, go. Nine on the deep squat. Let's go. Stay calm. It's 5. It's 8, 9. 8 swings, go. Get back in there. 8. Get your breath. 8 deep squats. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Seven swings, go. Get them legs back. 6, 7, to the deep squats, go. Right in it. Build it up. You can do it. Get out of the shoulders. 3 to go, come on. Six swings, go. 6. Get them legs back. 6 deep squats. We got this. Load it up. Six on the count, 5 swings, go. Five deep squats. Four swings, go. Body back. 4 deep squats. Go. Three swings, go. Three deep squats, go. Got this, go. Swings, 2, go. Squats. One. And remember to rock safely. That has been Kettlebell workout number 1. Have a great day, athlete. Be sure to stretch out, open your body up.